Customers have problems, they have complaints, and they have pain points. Now, if you can be the one to answer those questions and solve those pain points, well, there's no better way to build brand authority and to build customer loyalty with your content. So this video is all about creating content that addresses your customers' pain points. I'm going to show you how to easily identify those pain points using Mandala so that you can create content to effectively answer and solve them. So here we go. Whatever business you happen to be in, whatever products or service you're offering, creating content for customers is going to be a part of your marketing strategy. Now, that content could be video, it could be informative writing or infographic or anything. But I want to focus on today is identifying customer pain points so we can use those pain points to create effective content. So here we go. I'm using the example of Mexican food today, but you can use these same techniques with any product or service or industry. The quickest way to identify pain points is with the sentiment analysis function, which is basically using AI to tell whether a specific mention is positive or negative. So searching the negative sentiment will bring up all the negative comments and complaints. Analyzing them, we can see a lot of complaints about restaurants serving Mexican food that's not considered authentic enough. This person complains that they don't use the right ingredients. The most common complaints here are all about the ingredients not being true to Mexican cuisine. I don't see any complaints about price, very few complaints about service or serving size or any other factors. Of course, we can open the original post to see this user's other posts, as well as comments to see if anyone agrees or if there's any more discussion about what they're posting. If we want to sort the mentions we find into various categories that we can analyze later, we can add a tag, and then we can find mentions by their tag in the advanced mentions filter as well. You can create as many tags and tag groups as you or your team need. And we can find it later by opening the mentions console and then the advanced mentions filter. This makes it super easy to share with your team or just bring up the next time you are planning your content. In this case, I would focus my content and start thinking about some messaging on the authentic flavor and ingredients of my Mexican food brand. So these customer pain points give you a real and specific problem that you can address in your copy and content. Give it a try yourself. Start creating content that addresses your customer pain points. Try Mandala free for 7 days. Just go to mandalasystem.com, or you can get in touch with customer service via email at sales@mandalasystem.com, and you can check out more videos and tutorials on how to use Mandala in the Mandala Academy. See you next time.